Here's problem 2 from the 2014 AMC 8. Paul owes Paula 35 cents and has plenty of 5 cent, 10 cent, and 25 cent coins. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest number of coins he can use to pay? Exactly 35 cents? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. To use the largest number of coins, Paul should pay with the smallest coins, the 5 cent coins. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that's 7 coins. To use the smallest number of coins, Paul should pay with the biggest coins. A 25 cent coin plus a 10 cent coin makes 35 cents. So that's just 2 coins. The difference between the largest and smallest number of coins is 7 minus 2, which equals 5. So the answer is 5, which is choice E.